Control your emotions and never beg for attention. If someone doesn't want to talk to you, don't force them, because forced relationships don't last much longer. So why shatter your soul? Hold yourself together and distance yourself for the sake of your mental and emotional well-being. You're a good person, you're just trying to prove it to the wrong one. The right one will never let you back for anything. People don't neglect those they love. They neglect either because you are no longer useful to them, or they don't want you to be that part of their life. Don't ever forget that. So be strong and value yourself. Don't try to paint a different picture of them. After experiencing all the bad things they have done to you, you will hurt yourself more if you carry on